So in order to keep your gut microbiome healthy, you need to feed it a diverse group of foods. The most effective way or the most proven way to do that is to eat a diverse, rich fiber diet. So lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of colors, lots of whole grains, beans, lentils, and chickpeas, and nuts and seeds. It's pretty consistent with the Mediterranean diet, which we know is really good for your gut. And something else that we can do is include a lot of fermented foods, such as yogurt with live cultures, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, miso, and tempeh. These fermented foods are rich in probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, and that helps populate our microbiome with the good stuff and limits the bad stuff from growing and causing havoc in our GI tract and in our bodies. You can consider probiotics or prebiotics supplements, but if you're getting it from a rich food, then you really don't need it. But if you are, make sure to eat prebiotics such as inulin or chicory root. That's the more rich things that lead for good growth of our microbiome. And you want to make sure that your probiotics have Lactobacillus acidophilus or Saccharomyces boulardii. Those two are clinically proven to populate your microbiome the right way. In eating the right things, you want to make sure you're not eating the wrong things. So the wrong things are processed foods and sugar, white flour and white sugar. These things wreak havoc on our microbiome, leads to a decrease in diversity and increase in inflammation in our body. And you can even feel that after a short stint of not having these processed foods, you may feel better. Antibiotics should only be used when necessary. There's a big inclination that when we don't feel well, jump for the antibiotics. And the vast majority of the things that affect us are viruses, and antibiotics don't really do much for them. Antibiotics, besides treating what may be ailing us, also destroy or kill a lot of our microbiome, killing the good things, but leaving the bad things to grow in its place. And that can make us even feel worse or giving us a whole slew of other symptoms like abdominal pain or diarrhea. So avoid those antibiotics and only use them when you need to. And then get enough sleep, manage stress, and exercise regularly. The more active you are, the more stable your microbiome, and likely the more diversity you will have. So there are a lot of things that we can do to keep our gut microbiome healthy, and there are a couple of things we can limit to decrease the negative effect that the microbiome can have on our body. So let's really emphasize the good things and try to limit the bad things.